Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We are going to make a cute penguin ornament today. It's going to be hand painted and this is going to be a gift. And so I thought, what better way to give a gift than something kind of small and homemade. I started off by thinking I was going to have our penguins sit on some ice. I couldn't get the ice to look the way I wanted it to. I ended up sanding that off and just doing another layer of the light blue that I was using, but you can use any color for the background. And then I took a couple different round shaped items until I got the size that I wanted. That is a clay sculpting tool. And then I just kind of start drawing out the shape of a penguin. You can pull up Pinterest, or you could even use a coloring page and some carbon paper if you don't want to freehand it. My husband, you guys, got me this cute paintbrush set. It's actually a nail art set. And so I was using that because these are so tiny little ornaments, and so I was using those brushes and they worked out perfect for this. So look at some nail art brushes if you need to. Sorry, phone call. Squirrel. So then I started just getting each of the colors in. So I did all of the white. Our penguin's gonna have some little earmuffs on. I don't even know if that's where their ears are, but I just thought it was cute. We're gonna have an orange feet and orange beak, and then we're doing a yellow scarf. You could absolutely add little squiggles or lines or dots to the scarf, but I loved the yellow, just the little yellow with the light blue is so pretty to me. And then we're going to do the basic shape. And then when this is all colored in, then we're going to outline it all in a black paint marker so that we can clean up our lines and make it look a little nicer. I'm still a newer painter, so I like the way that looks. I think it makes it look more finished and clean. And then we do put some little pom-poms on him. And like I said, we're just going to outline everything. I was able to clean up his little arms this way and everything. At the end in the videos and photos, I hope you'll be able to tell on camera, but I tried to do like little short strokes throughout the black to make it look like feathers, more like feathers than one just solid, black thing. So we're going to give him a couple eyeballs. You could do pink cheeks, that would be cute. I do take a toothbrush and some paint and water and just flick some of that on here to make it look like snow. There's a lot of different ways y'all could do this. I thought it turned out really cute. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.